Hey, what's up? Welcome back. I'm over here just chilling on the beach. What is the story that you're telling yourself? What is the thing that's repetitively going on through your mind? Right? We can be telling ourselves affirmations all day long. We can be telling ourselves, you know, I'm gonna be making it, I'm gonna make it rich, I'm gonna be wealthy, I'm gonna be healthy, I'm gonna be doing all this, right? This is exactly what I wanted to talk to you about. Is it's super important that you start to tell yourself a different story, that you are gonna make it, that it is gonna happen, that you are gonna be rich.